Hello everyone. Welcome to my channel Alexa's Garden. I want to ask you, do you grow hydrangeas in your garden? These are magnificent perennial bushes that decorate the garden with flowering all summer. Hydrangea loves partial shade, acidic soil and moisture. This year, I decided to plant 5 different types of paniculate hydrangea in my mixed border. Let's do it together. The first type of hydrangea is Hydrangea Paniculata Bobo. This is a dwarf variety of hydrangea, a gift to gardeners from the same breeder as the Pinky Winky hydrangea. This is a Belgian variety. In 2011, this hydrangea variety received an important award at the Floral exhibition in Ghent. This hydrangea does well in the garden even at -29 degrees Fahrenheit or -34 degrees Celsius. This is a dwarf perennial shrub. If the plant is an adult, it reaches a height of 23 to 28 inches or 60 to 70 centimeters. The flowering period of this hydrangea is from July to September. Hydrangea Bobo has very large inflorescences, but they are very delicate and light. The height of an adult Bobo hydrangea plant is up to 28 inches, the width is also up to 28 inches. Flower size 12 inches or 30 centimeters. If you grow this hydrangea in a flower pot, it will be no more than 20 inches or 50 centimeters tall. This romantic perennial shrub is great for small gardens and borders. Hydrangea Bobo is an ideal perennial plant for sunny places in the garden and where there is partial shade. Well, it's done. I will see the result of my work in the spring. I hope you find this video useful and interesting. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. See you soon.